we've had a really bad snowstorm, but the temperature is the worst of all. It's 0 and even minus. The road is slick and the cattle are really not liking it. We had our tractor plugged in and on the charger, had additive in the tank, and we backed it up, and that's as far as it made it.
Really don't know. Hey sheep. Hey. What are you guys doing? Aw, Esau, you're cold, Esau. I only see 2. Maybe they're in the other side. There's...
See more?
Yeah. There is 2 more blacks and 2 whites.
What?
Yeah.
How many do you count all together?
There's 4. 2 from that one, 2 from that one. Where's the other one? I named it Lily. Or that one's Lily. Mom, which one's smaller?
The big one is a...
That one's Velvet, that one's Lily. That one's Lily. Right there, that's Lily.
Look at guys.
Where's the other one? Oh.
This one has still fresh blood. Pwede na tayong maghalo-halo. There's a wire in here. What?
Or ask him to.
It's frozen.
What's
Look.
Mama Sue, get back. Oh no.
Oh no.
Our ewe has mastitis, and we're milking the blood out of this quarter, and then we're going to give her antibiotics and Draxin, but she is not feeling good. I haven't taken her temperature, but I promise you she's got one. She's not walking good. Her bags really got hard, and we're trying to, you can see it's working out, but I just don't know. We're probably going to give her a shot in her bag. I don't know. It's not an ideal situation. Sometimes when they have this, what they call chronic mastitis, they can't be saved.
Is the other one's blood also?
No, but it's there.
Oh, it's milk.
Yeah, but I don't think she's letting the baby suck it because it's painful to her. You can see where it's blistered right here. Anyway, sometimes there's just so much you can do.
There's blood.
Yeah. That's what's coming out.
What are we gonna do if she dies?
It's not good. Nothing we can do. I think we've got another.
Well, we need to buy.
We got another ewe that just had babies, and I think this one's.
She's the one who's feeding the
Babies are robbing the milk, so that's good. They might make it. So we'll give her. I give her a double shot. I gave her half in her neck, half in her close to her udder. And I don't even know if she can walk today, but we'll see. Yep, she can. Not good though.
Well, she needs to be in this warm area.
Oh, well, she needs to move a little. It would be better if she could move a little.
Are those her babies is sucking on the other one?
Yeah.
They're sharing?
Can they share?
We need to. Okay, we need to leave her alone. Everybody else is okay.
Where's Mama Sue? Where's the other babies? 3. I only see 3. We found the other one, guys.
What happened?
Well, she did not.
Too cold.
Too cold or don't have milk.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, there is another one.
That's Lily. Oh, Lily's dead.
Oh, we have. There 3 more.
Wait, what? That's what happened to the other one.
Oh, her baby died, babe.
Both her babies.
Yeah,
died.
because I know she
And
has.
then that black one's got one. See, look, that black one's sucking that one right there. See
Yeah.
that? Yeah.
So we have 5 and we lost 2. Oh,
Lily. No, it's not okay.
they did not survive.
You got stepped on them?
It's really hard. We lost the new twins.
Wait, then which? Lily and Velvet died. That's sad.
Yeah, because their mama is sick. They did not drink the milk, and it's too cold.
Well, maybe we'll have more.
Mama, so yeah. Oh my goodness, Haka was walking on the pond. Hey! Get out in there, calf! Get out in there or you will stuck!
It's extremely dangerous in this part of the country when the ponds freeze with ice. The cattle aren't used to it. They don't know better than to walk on it. And it's very common for them to fall through when the ponds are frozen.
It's solid ice. There's a little corner in there that's starting to melt. Maybe not. So I was thinking that I wanted to fish in this pond while it's frozen. I'm wondering if I could catch fish. Mama Sue! Maybe she can't get up.
Yeah, maybe she can get up. Here, Mama Sue, get back in.
Oh my goodness.
Pull her head out, Jarrell. Pull her head towards you. Okay, we're gonna roll her over. There you go. I don't know.
Is it?
Oh, it's hard to rock today.
Saw sorry.
And the blood is really bloody.
Oh no. Michael, make sure the fence is closed really good.
He won't come out now?
It looks like it's about to bust open right there. Oh boy.
Sorry, sheep.
Yeah, she needs to. If she's gonna get up, she better stand up. Oh shit.
Hey, girl. I know, I'm sorry. I know it hurts. You okay?
She is not okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. I know. I know. Mama Sue. Mama Sue. When are you gonna have a baby again?
She's got what they call chronic mastitis, and it's caused an infection and a fever in her whole body. And it happens really fast, and we give her the best medicine that we can, and it doesn't seem to be working. And I just really don't have a lot more I can say about it than that. I've had cows before that's had it, and it's usually not a good outcome. So that's kind of where we're at. We went and talked to a person about medicines and stuff yesterday, and they just said it's just not really a great situation. So we're going to keep giving her antibiotics and try to make her comfortable. And I hope this morning she was just had got her back downhill and bloated a little. And if that's the case, then she'll lay right here for a little bit. And she'll try to get